Hello students, welcome to Marvel Maths. In this video, I am going to explain list of problems based on limits. There are 11 different types of problems. First, one-sided limit, LHS alone or RHS alone or both. Second one is algebraic limit with direct substitution you can expect in 1 mark, 2 marks. And third one, algebraic limit with by using factorization method. And fourth one, algebraic limit by rationalization method. And fifth one, algebraic limit using some standard limits, that is formula. Limit x approaches 0, x power n minus a power n by x approaches a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a, and limit at infinity. These are all under algebraic limit. Now trigonometric limits, when variable tends to 0, when variable tends to non-zero, by factorization method. Three different types of problems. And 10th one is exponential and logarithmic limits and mixed function, that is problem based on exponential, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric, that problem, and last problem based on 1 power infinity. So we'll discuss first 10 types for CBSE board exams. So if you practice type wise, you will get full confidence in limits. Thank you.